Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you some bundles that I purchased from the Wig Dealer. The Wig Dealer. Now, I'm pretty sure I already have my video up with a mini review on the wig that I purchased from her, the first wig that I purchased. I have purchased an additional wig. I have purchased an additional wig, it's just not here yet. The bundles came first. So I'm going to give a little review on the bundles. Then I'm going to go bleach them because you guys know I don't really rock dark hair. I need some sort of color. So I'm going to go bleach them. And then I'm going to come back and tell you how they bleached. But let's just talk about what they look like straight out of the package. So it came in a black plastic bag that said the Wig Dealer. I can't speak. It's like 3 a.m. but you guys know I work graveyard shift. I'm off today, obviously, hence why I'm filming. But I went to sleep and then now I'm up. So I'm just gonna film and work on some hair until I get tired again and then go to work tonight. But either way, so it came in a black plastic bag that said the Wig Dealer, and then inside the black plastic bag was a satin bag where the bundles actually are. So I got 4 starter bundles of the Brazilian curly, and she was having a promotion for her starter bundles. So I don't know what the price is now, but what I paid for them for all 4 bundles, I believe right here, it is a super low price, actually suspiciously low. Okay, but we're gonna see if it's quality hair or not. Okay, I'm hoping it is, but let's just see. Anyway, 4 bundles, 16 inches each. And this is what they look like. So initially, when I got this, I said, 16 inches, girl, what the hell is this? But then I remembered this is curly hair. So you have to stretch it. So when you stretch it, it definitely is 16 inches. And one of the things that I was also worried about was that it was going to be really thick near the weft and then super thin near the tips. Or near the ends. So it's not super thin, but you can see that it gets thinner as you go. But that is, once again, typical with curly hair. When I do the wig, we're going to see how full it is. I got 4 bundles because I'm going to be doing a closure wig, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough bundles to work with. And then if I have additional bundles, I'll just make another wig. So I decided to get 4. And this is what one of the bundles look like. This is the wefting right there. And then of course it's got the Wig Dealer tag on it. And the inches. Now when I first pulled them out of the bag, they did kind of have a smell, but it wasn't like a, it was kind of like a, it did have a chemical smell. It didn't smell like corn chips or anything, but I can still smell it even though these have been airing out. I can still smell the chemical smell. So I'm not sure if this is hair that has been steam processed. If it is, I'll leave it down below in the comment or in the description box because I don't have my phone in front of me to look it up. But it does definitely have a chemical smell. I'll let you know if that washes out. It should. I don't usually have issues with smelly hair. But that kind of makes me feel like what did I buy? I hope I didn't buy, you know, some Aliexpress hair just from a different vendor. So when I purchased the starter wig that I showed you, the curls were really nice, really fresh feeling. They didn't feel heavy. They didn't smell. They weren't frizzy. So upon looking at these have not been put in a net. I did take the net off. I was hoping that would be the same hair that was on that wig. So we're gonna see. The knots on that wig bleached fantastic. So I'm hoping that it is the same hair and that this bleaches well. This takes bleach well. But yeah, initially when I got these, I smelled them and then I was like, I do smell the chemicals. But besides that, some of the bundles, this one in particular seems to be a little smaller. Maybe it's because of the way it's packaged, but it's just not packaged as neat as the other 3. And this one does seem to be a little thinner. So I don't know what that's about. I mean, I think you can clearly tell that this one is thinner than this one. I think you can tell that it's thinner than this one, maybe. And you can definitely tell it's thinner than this one. So, I don't know. I'm going to, you know, like I said, I'm going to bleach this hair and make my wig. Now, the closure that I bought was from Barry's Hair. You guys know I fuck hard with Barry's Hair because they have transparent lace closures. I know a lot of companies are getting on board with transparent lace, but Barry's Hair has been on it since the get-go, okay? So that's why I'd be purchasing from them. So I bought myself a 6x6 curly wig, or curly closure. And it seems like the curls are going to fit perfectly together. So I'm happy I decided on this. And this is in 12 inches. And the reason it's in 12 inches and not like 14 or 16 is because they didn't have 14 or 16 available. My understanding is that there's a lace shortage going on. At least that's what the Wig Dealer's website says. Hence why she doesn't have a lot of her wigs in stock. So I'm going to say that's probably why didn't come in longer lengths, that they just don't have the stock. But you guys know Barry's Hair. I've purchased from them often. I like the quality of their hair, and they're at affordable prices. I've never had any issues with their hair, so that's why I continue to buy them. And this is not pre-plucked, as you can see. It's not pre-plucked, and the knots are not bleached. But it does come with a transparent lace, which I like. Now, this is not like HD lace or anything. It is Swiss lace, but I do like their lace because it does tend to be thin and it melts great with my skin tone. So once again, that's why I continuously purchase. So it's going to be this closure and however many bundles I can fit on a wig, bleach it, and then come back with an update. Once again, I'll leave the price for the bundles right here. And then I'll leave the price for the closure right here. All right, never mind the towel in the back. Just got out of the shower. All right, so finishing up this video for the wig that I made using the starter bundles from the Wig Dealer. No, I'm not gonna lie, I overprocess these. I overprocess them a lot. But I won't do that again. I actually have some bundles left over and I'm going to bleach them and I'm going to make sure I watch them because I didn't watch these. I didn't think they were going to lift so quickly. Here is the final wig. I just have to cut the lace when I install it, but I'm not going to be doing that tonight. I'm going to bed. And if you want to know how I got this cut, no, I did not film it because I don't know how to cut hair, okay? I just winged it and it turned out great. I'll leave a picture of the back right here. And yeah, so as if I do this look again with a different wig, then I might film it because now I know exactly what to do. But I'll just let you know what I did. So to get the length off, I used a razor. That way I didn't have blunt ends. And then to get the bulk out, I used thinning shears. And then of course I plucked the hairline, which I think I can probably go in a little bit more right here and pluck it. But for right now it looks okay. And this is the kind of wig where I don't think I'm gonna really need baby hairs because it's gonna look so good once I melt that lace in. And I don't have any product on this hair right now. I just used water while I cut, styled, and plucked the hairline. And once again, these bundles are from the Wig Dealer, and that website will be down below. She also has an app, which I find is easier to navigate. And then the closure is a 6x6 closure, transparent lace, of course, from Barry's Hair on Aliexpress. Both of them have been bleached and dyed to get this color. And as far as like the color goes, I used a lot of different shades of burgundy, I'm going to be honest with you, and that's how I arrived at this one. So I'll just leave everything that I used on the hair down below in the description box, and you can just decide what color you like the best. But this is like a mixture of several different colors. Yeah. Anyway, I really like it. Really, really like it. And if you like it, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. I am not going to be applying this wig today. I need to go to bed. But if you guys want another application video, let me know. I'll probably film it anyway. But just let me know if you guys like install videos. I think they kind of get repetitive. But I think when you watch, like rewatch things over and over again, you get better at doing them. So I don't mind posting the same shit over and over again, honestly. But I just wonder what you guys want to see. Anyway, yeah, so I'm out. But before you go, these are the videos that you should watch next. I'll leave a hair video right here, and I'll leave like a makeup video or something right there. So those right there. Right there and right there. Right there and right there. Right there and right there. Support your girl, okay? And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!